Putang ina, hindi tapos yan. Putang ina, ba't hindi pinakita sa ato? Anak ng puta. Putang ina, putang ina. Putang ina talaga. Gago!
I hope that very soon, hindi ko na kailangan magmura sa Facebook at sa YouTube para maayos ang mga project. Nakakaawa po yung mga kababayan natin. Kasi yung nakikita kong gawa ng DPWH sa ibang lugar, malayo dito. Our people don't deserve that. We have to go all over the country until we reach a point where people in the DPWH take it upon themselves to do projects the right way. Look at this facility that you have now. Parang hindi gawa ng DPWH ito. Here you have it. Nakikita nyo that you get what you deserve. That the officials of government, binibigay nila ang dapat makuha ng mga tao. That is exactly what the President wants to happen. The President wants to give us a government that we deserve.